Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best smart digital multimeter review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Telehill ZL126 Digital Smart Multimeter. The first thing you notice is the large color display with big fonts and backlight. It's very easy to read, even in low light. The body is compact, about 150 by 50 by 25 millimeters, lightweight and comfortable to hold. This multimeter supports a wide range of tests: AC voltage up to 750 volt and DC voltage up to 1000 volt, resistance up to 100 megohms, capacitance up to 100 mF plus frequency, diode test and temperature on supported models. It supports true RMS, which is great for more accurate AC readings, smart and safety features 5590S. It also wire breakpoint detection, useful when you're trying to find a broken cable inside a wall. You also get data hold, battery indicator, and a bright LED flashlight. The ZL128A9999 counts, adds temperature probe and AC, DC current up to 10A, plus breakpoint detection. A uses AAA batteries. B has USB rechargeable 1000 mAh battery. Overall, the Telehill ZL series is a solid choice for home, automotive, and electrical work. Number 4. Mastfui FI107A Digital Multimeter. This meter has a 6000 count digital display with a color analog bar, which makes it easier to spot changes quickly. It's compact too, around 142 by 70 by 20 millimeters, and weighs about 146 grams, so it's easy to carry. It can measure AC voltage up to 750 volt, DC voltage up to 1000 volt, resistance from 50 ohms up to 60 megohms, frequency from 10 Hz up to 6000 kHz, and it includes continuity with a buzzer when resistance is under 50 ohms. It includes NCV voltage detection with 3 alarm levels, live wire identification, it shows live on screen, and beeps, plus useful extras like data hold, backlight, and a flashlight. It also has auto power off after 15 minutes, and the test leads are replaceable, which is a big plus. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly meter with true RMS and safety features, the FI107C is the best pick in this series. Number 3. FNRC IS1 Digital Multimeter. The standout feature is the color VA display. It's bright, easy to read, and works well in different lighting. The body is compact and lightweight, about 143 by 75 by 19 millimeters, and it's made from durable ABS plastic. Main measurements 3065S. This meter covers a lot: AC, DC voltage, 0 to 1000 volt, resistance, 0 to 100 megohms, capacitance, up to 10 mF, frequency around 50 Hz to 1 kHz, plus diode test, continuity, and an analog bar for quick changes. You also get NCV-induced voltage detection, live mode for checking live wires, low voltage indication, a buzzer, and backlight/lighting for easier work. A big bonus is the included thermocouple, letting you measure high temperatures, roughly 401 degrees Celsius up to 1000 degrees Celsius, which is 1000 degrees Celsius, which is useful for HVAC and industrial checks. It runs on a 1000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, and it has auto power off to save power. Overall, if you want a modern multimeter with a color screen, high count resolution, and temperature testing, the FNRC IS1 is a strong option. Number 2. Side Smart Digital Multimeter. It comes with a protective shell and an EVA carry bag, so it feels safer to transport. The screen is also big and clear, around 3.2 to 3.5 inches, depending on the model. This meter has a 9999 count high-resolution EBTN display, which is great for accuracy. It's auto-ranging, so you don't need to adjust settings constantly. You also get handy safety features like V-Alert non-contact voltage detection, live check, continuity beeper, measurement functions 5585S. It covers most everyday electrical testing. AC, DC voltage up to 620 volt, resistance up to 60 mega ohms, capacitance up to 99.99 mF plus frequency, duty cycle, diode test and more. Here's the key difference between models. S10 uses 2x AAA batteries, A10 has a built-in rechargeable battery and is usually the best budget value, S11 has a built-in 800 mAh rechargeable battery, S20 is the top version and adds EMF detection, useful for checking electromagnetic fields. Overall, the BSide series is a solid smart multimeter for home users, technicians and electricians. If you want the best value, go for A10 or S11, and if you need EMF, pick the S20. Number 1. Onyx 683 Smart Digital Multimeter. The Onyx 683 is a 3 and 5/6 digit auto-ranging multimeter designed for electricians, technicians, and DIY users. It features a large LCD screen with analog bar display and the best part, no rotary dial. It automatically detects what you're measuring. This multimeter can measure AC and DC voltage up to 1000 volt DC/750 volt AC, AC and DC current up to 10A, resistance up to 60 mega ohms, capacitance up to 100 mF, frequency, duty cycle, diode and continuity test. It also supports true RMS, live wire detection, data hold and auto power off. It comes with a 3.7 volt 2800 mAh rechargeable battery, so no need to replace cells again and again for safety. It includes full overload protection and fuse protection for UA/MA ranges, plus CE certification. This tool is perfect for electricians, lab work, radio hobbyists, and home users who want a smart and reliable multimeter. Overall, the Onyx 683 offers great features, smart operation, and solid accuracy at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a modern, touch-style multimeter, this one's worth checking out.